is the Season 8 of
The House of Collab!
Previously on The House of Collab Season 8, we met the 24 content creators sa sasabak para makuha ang 1,000,000. The content creators started with a grand entrance. Each one showcased their unique flair and energy in the mansion, impressing everyone. We got to know the content creators on a more personal level through their candid moments and interviews. Narinig natin ang kanilang mga motivations, strategies, at ang mga goals nila sa loob ng The House of Collab. Many of them have inspiring stories and are determined to do whatever it takes to win the 1,000,000 peso grand prize. Will their camaraderie, laughter, and challenges that they'll face will continue to bring excitement to The House of Collab? Stay tuned.
My message would be, give it all your best, even if you're feeling down or feeling high. Show professionalism, of course, respect each other, and trust everyone, especially your handlers, your management, because this trust and partnership will go a long, long way. And of course, good luck to your 90-day journey. So, day 2 na. So, ano game? Yay!
Fred, read this at the camera in front of talk with the CCs. Group yourselves into 3 groups. Count 1, 2, 3. Whoever counts 1 will be group 1.
Okay.
Then whoever counts 2 will be group 2. And whenever counts 3 will be group 3.
Number
and
five.
hit us in the tribe room immediately by group starting with group 1. Thank you.
Happy!
In the guided walk challenge, one player from each team will be blindfolded habang ginagabayan siya ng kanyang mga kampi to collect water. The goal is to fill the container with water as directed by their team. Ang team na may pinakamaraming nakuhang tubig sa loob ng time limit will be the winner.
MVP. Wala po lang mga kapate. Lagi silang magmamadali. Under pressure sila lahat.
Hindi natin tinanong na pressure.
Relax lang.
Pressure lang. Handa niyo ba?
Ano tong game? Sa game kasali dyan. Ay, sorry. Narinig na yung usapan namin.
Nabasag.
Away kami sa tatlong laro kasi nabasag yung ano namin. Ay, babawi kami. Tignan nyo lang. Team Happy. Happy kami kahit malungkot kami kanina, pero happy pa rin kami.
Yes po, we're very sorry, but the Team Lucas and the Team Happy, mabawi kami guys.
In the Sama-Sama Tayo Challenge, all players will hold onto the blanket habang nakaupo sa isang bilog. The task is for everyone to sit down and then stand up at the same time without letting go of the blanket. The team that finishes first wins.
Kayo ha.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3 kayo. 1, 2, 3 baba. 1, 2, 3 kayo. 1, 2, 3 baba. 1, 2, 3 kayo.
Sinong masaya? Siyempre masaya kami. Group 2? Pag ganun na lang kami. Group
2? For the same leg and arm run, players will run while keeping the same arm and leg in sync. The team that finishes first wins. While everyone is happy at the moment, things change.
Kalma! Kalma. Alis na.
Nagtagumpay nga ba talaga ang grupo nila Zaira? O mauuwi ito sa hindi magandang kaganapan? Stay tuned to see what's next in the House of Collab.